Are you out of your mind or something?
Ma, so now what's I want to let me sorry.
So if you ever injured me, that's what you'll be saying.
Don't apologize now. Why they insult her?
Poor people never accept their mistake when they are wrong. Look, if such a thing happened next, and make sure I got you guys arrested.
You cannot do anything. We know our rights. And besides, she didn't push you.
Oh, I see. Watch and see.
Please, ma, we are sorry, okay? This is just a minor misunderstanding. Don't take it to heart, please. Because if you do what you're about to do, it might get uglier than this. Please.
All right, it's fine.
Look, guys. You guys should stop. Stop triggering people. You don't know what they're capable of doing.
Hey, sells this small yellow book just to insult you because I started.
Ever since I started scavenger work, not I never hear. I beg.
Eniola, how are you today? Why aren't you dressed in your school uniform?
I know they go to school today.
Eniola, how many times do I have to tell you to stop speaking pidgin English? The aim of your parents working so hard to send you to school is for you to be educated and stand up intellectually. So I appreciate it if you do that. Please. Talking about school, why didn't you go to school today?
They sent me out of school because I was unable to pay my school fees and my mom didn't have enough money, and I'll continue to stay at home until she's able to raise money.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm really sorry. But everything will be fine, okay?
Okay.
I'm late for work. When I get back, I'll see what I can do. Okay? It's alright. Take care.
Bye.
Are you out of your mind or something?
Ma, so now what's I want to let me sorry.
So if you ever injured me, that's what you'll be saying.
Don't apologize now. Why they insult her?
Poor people never accept their mistake when they are wrong. Look, if such a thing happened next, and make sure I got you guys arrested.
You cannot do anything. We know our rights. And besides, she didn't push you.
Oh, I see. Watch and see.
Please, ma, we are sorry, okay? This is just a minor misunderstanding. Don't take it to heart, please. Because if you do what you're about to do, it might get uglier than this. Please.
All right, it's fine.
Look, guys. You guys should stop. Stop triggering people. You don't know what they're capable of doing.
Hey, sells this small yellow book just to insult you because I started.
Ever since I started scavenger work, not I never hear. I beg. More they go. Just they cost me oyibo pepper. No be say she even fine sef. Rotty thing. Rubbish. More they go.
Scavenger, she's a hustler.
Hey, children. How are you? How was school today? Your assignment? Okay, I will help everyone with the assignment, okay? Oh, good afternoon, ma.
I'm not going to let her make she enter house. When I'll kill her one day your assignment. I hate the what? She just they come back.
Auntie, I'm not complaining, okay? So you people go and wait for me, okay? I'm coming.
Mama, you're not principal call me. She said you come at school, come pay school fees for her. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You're welcome.
God will bless you.
Amen.
You don't go so far.
Amen.
You go back from this ghetto. Go your mansion.
Amen.
God bless you, my daughter.
Amen.
God bless you.
You're welcome, ma.
You.
Besides, it's not much.
It's nothing. He says no much. And me, I no fit pay am. He will be mama, no fit pay am. God bless you.
Amen. You're welcome.
It go better for you.
Amen. Amen.
God will bless you. I'm going to go buy something.
Okay. All right. Let
When
me
I come
attend to
back,
the
I will
kids.
see you, yeah?
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine girl.
Okay. So, I'm coming. Let me change, okay? I'll be right back.
She's a hustler with good heart.
Please, not tonight, okay?
Please, stop now.
I'm busy with work.
You're busy with work, so you don't care about my needs.
This is work, okay? You know I care about you. But I need to finish this work before tomorrow. Please, bear with me, okay?
This is what you do all the time.
What's that supposed to mean? Are you trying to imply that I don't care about you?
Of course you don't.
Are you kidding me? Brenda, all I do is work, try to find ways to make money. That is what I'm trying to do, to make money. Money I will use to sponsor all your expensive trips or all your expensive buyings and spending. And you say I don't care about you? I still give you what you want, sex all the time. But what do? Do you care about me? Do you care about giving me space for me to actually work and make this money? That's what I'm trying to do, and now you still want me to give you the same time I'm trying to use to find money. Is that fair?
You give me sex all the time. When was the last time you had sex with me?
Are you really asking me that? Of course, this morning.
This morning where?
Oh, good Lord. Please, I don't want to do this with you, okay? Let me just work.
Please, come here, John.
Brenda, stop now. Stop it. If you can't allow me work here, I'll just leave this room for you. Please.
So this is it. You really don't want to touch me. So you don't love me. Or maybe
There we go again.
you're sleeping with someone else. Right?
I have no words for you. Can
I
you?
won't let you work.
Okay, fine. Stay put.
And where are you going to? Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Good morning, Daddy. I wasn't expecting to see you.
I wasn't expecting to see you either. Why are you not sleeping?
Why are you not sleeping too?
Hey. I asked you first.
I came down to get a bowl of water in the kitchen.
Bottle of water, huh?
Yes, and you?
Well, I have some email to compose. I have clients that need to be spoken to tomorrow.
Can I help? I said, can I help?
Can you help?
Yes.
Thank you for asking, but you can't help me with this one, okay?
Don't underestimate me.
Ooh.
I can help. Besides, you have been working too much these days.
Yeah, I've been working too much these days. Guess what? I needed to pay attention. The reward for hard work is more work. Don't forget that. Alright, go get your water and go straight back to bed, okay?
I want to stay with you.
I insist. Go.
Hello? Where are you? I'm in the estate already. Where?
obvious.
Did you wait for yourself?
You're looking so beautiful. Oh, so why you guys just like mad people? Don't touch me now. Do you know how much this thing costs?
You're looking beautiful like see.
Of course I have to, but I even have a choice. Stop now, baby girl, stop. But what's really going after all the whole paparazzi in uni now? Hey,
Trisha, we have been spat upon. Like, we have been suffering since school.
No job.
I can see it. The evidence is clear.
Trisha, please.
Help us.
Show us the way. Please. We have suffered enough. I beg.
Just help us. Let's can even just follow you now.
In my car?
Yeah.
Like this?
Trisha, now you get this car?
Of course, it's one of my cars.
One of your cars. That means you have a lot of cars.
It's not a big thing.
Okay. Please. Show us the way, I beg.
Okay.
Yeah, just collect it.
Why are you rushing me? Don't rush me.
Oh,
I've not even decided yet.
Sorry.
Well, I'll have to come based on back then in school.
082.
Okay.
5.
That's smelling. Can you go?
Yeah.
Trisha. Yes, that's my number. So you call me.
Okay.
Trisha, nice to see you.
Oh, I'll call you.
Alright,
Thank you so much for coming.
I needed to walk. But Gerald, like I said before, you're not sleeping and you need to get some sleep. Look at your eyes.
Sleep? How can I sleep? When I've not gotten any slightest idea on how to convince these people to, bank with our company. It doesn't make any sense.
We need to calm down. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
It wasn't intentional.
It's fine. It's okay.
Nathan, we have just a few days for me to put up this project and this projection to these people. How do I convince them? I have a meeting with them. Ideas are not coming in. And you know that JTQ and Co Limited, they're very strong allies for us to bring to our side. The ideas to convince them is not coming in. And it's an issue for me.
I understand, okay? But health is very important. You see, I promise you, what if you sleep and this idea is flying? It's possible.
So the idea is supposed to come in my dream? Is that what you're telling me now?
I just want you to rest.
Right.
Get sleep.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I was listening to your conversation. I can help you if you give me the chance to.
Help?
Yes, I can.
I don't understand. Do we look like dustbins to you? Are you stupid? You don't know your workplace anymore? You want to help? I'm trying not to get offended that you're eavesdropping on our conversation and you hear us having official talk and you say you can help. What can you possibly help? I want to understand. No, what can you say to me? What can you say?
It's fine.
Look at this dirty no. Come on, get out of here.
Gerard, come on.
What?
Calm down.
But I am calm.
Okay,
I am calm.
Okay. I'm sorry.
No, don't let them not deceive you. This is how they are. Look at them. She's probably trying to profile us and go and tell her people so that they'll come and kidnap us. That's what they do. If you need money, you say you need money, we give you money.
Oh, calm down now.
Come and pick what you want to pick from the dustbin. I'm not pursuing you.
It's okay.
What do you guys really want from me?
We want you to help us, Trisha.
Please help us. We
Show
need
us
your
the
help.
way.
We want to be like you, please.
To be like you.
Yes.
Okay. So how serious are you guys?
We are very serious. So. Make I
Calm down now. What is it? Well, first of all, brush you guys up because you guys are looking so unkept.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, I have some odogos, some money spender that I will have to connect you guys to. Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You even have pipes?
No.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, no problem. Just let's go and have some. Let's go and have some drinks. Hey! Do you know how much that costs?
Hey. Sorry.
God.
late. I don't want us to be late. Sunshine.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. How was your sleep?
Fine, and you?
Well, I slept okay.
I'm sure that your night was not fine. Because you woke all through the night.
Okay, you got me there. You got me, but it's okay. I don't want us to be late.
Wait. I don't remember something.
What's that?
No food in the dining.
I'm sure probably Brenda had food for us.
Hi, baby.
Brenda. Where are you going to? Did you not make breakfast for us?
Breakfast? No, I'm going to the salon. I want to go make my nails.
Are you telling me that making your nails is more important to you than giving us food? Okay, take me out of the equation. You couldn't make food for my daughter to eat before going to school?
Stop sounding like I made breakfast for myself. I'm hungry too, but... Baby, you want me to leave my nails like this? Oh, I get it. You want me to start looking unattractive to you so you can start chasing small girls. Your plans will not work. I'm going to the salon, okay? See you later. I need to look good and sexy for my man. Excuse me. Bye.
You know what? Today, we are going to eat out. Hey, guess what? We're going to do pizza. We'll do pizza. It's okay. I'll buy you pizza, then I'll buy you fried yam. Okay? I don't want you to be late to school. Come, let's go. Come. It's okay.
Are you blind?
Sorry, sir.
You're sorry.
I'm so sorry.
You're so sorry. What is your useless sorry supposed to do for me? Huh? Are you blind? Did you not see I was trafficating to park here? And you want...
Sir, please, it's not intentional.
It's not intentional. You're very stupid. Look at this dirty thing. What do you even know about cars? What do you know? You know nothing. Have you driven one before in your life? Useless thing. You want to hit my car? Look, just look at. Are you sure you did not scratch my car?
No, I didn't
You didn't.
I didn't scratch your car, sir.
Nonsense.
Please, I'm sorry.
Look at you. You should get yourself fixed.
I truly apologize. I will just
apologize.
It's okay.
Get back into the car. Come on, get back.
Please, you don't need to scream at her because of me. Please, I'm sorry.
If I'm talking to my daughter, you keep quiet. Okay? Is it because I'm not getting you arrested? You want to hit my car? In fact, you almost hit my car. If you did, are you sure you didn't scratch my car?
I don't think I scratched
you. Don't think you did? Look, you almost scratched my car. What?
She never scratched your car.
My friend, come on, go inside.
Please, sir, don't hurt her. Please.
Get inside. Get inside.
Please, sir.
No.
Please, I'm truly sorry. It's okay, my love. It's fine. You know, I'm used to this kind of thing, okay?
So why don't you want to stop the work?
More of you and less of me. So tell me, what's your name?
My name is Ellen.
Lily! That is such a beautiful name. Do you know that lily is a flower?
Yes.
And it's usually white and pure.
Yes. And what is your name too?
My name?
Yes.
My name is...
You again?
I was just about leaving, sir.
You're about to leave?
Yes, sir.
Are you trying to ignore my daughter? You know, you don't listen. told you to stop talking to strangers.
She's not a stranger.
Put your seatbelt, real quick. Why are you keeping the long face? Sunshine, you know it's too early for you to be frowning your face.
I don't like how she spoke to her. You just spoke to her as if she did not say maid.
You don't like how... So you're angry I spoke to a stranger?
Yes.
Well, she's a stranger.
Not a stranger.
Oh, she's a stranger.
She's not a stranger. I don't know why anytime I'm talking, you just like to listen to me.
I am listening. You're the one not listening to me. Lily, look. People can be... Sometimes people don't appear to be who they are, right? She might be disguising. She might want to kidnap you or something. You can never tell. You have to be careful and stop talking to strangers.
She's not a stranger. And she's not a kidnapper.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry if you feel bad I spoke to her that way. I'll try to be nicer next time. Okay?
You better be nicer.
Okay.
So you don't spoke to her as if she's your maid.
I said I'm sorry now. Yeah, smile. Come on. I don't want you to scare your friends when you get to school.
I'm going to scare them. Your sorry is not enough.
Yeah, I'll put it up. Hold on. You're going to school. You don't need music.
Why will I not need music? Like, just tell me why. Why will I not need music?
What's going on? You guys no longer come to work. Why?
Which work? See, let me tell you something. We discovered that scavenging is not for us. We're young girls. We have a life, beautiful life in front of us. This work is dirty and we're tired of the insult. So yeah, we stopped.
You guys shouldn't talk like this. You know this work requires consistency and patience. It's going to pay off someday. It will.
Please, we don't have that patience. And it seems like we have a dose of it.
But you know it's wrong for you to stop work when you haven't even found a better job.
Says who? We are working on it, like on process.
Of course.
Once what we are doing matures, we'll be doing big girl things like Otilo.
ASAP.
Yes. Big girl things.
Yes.
I wish you the very best.
And to you.
Bye.
Sorry, I didn't hear you looking.
I made you coffee. Just the way you like it.
Thank you very much. I just needed this.
You're welcome, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
I understand that our partnership with GTQ Limited will elevate this company. But really, you need to take it easy. Okay? For the sake of our health, at least.
Take things easy. Everybody keeps telling me that. But what do they know? What do you know? You see, this company was given to me by my father. He handed it over to me. After he passed, I've been trying my best to fill in the blank spaces, to fit into his shoes. to carry on the way he carried this company. And with that pressure came a lot of mistakes. I've made some wrong investments. I've linked myself up with so many wrong people. And now I've run this company to the ground. That partnership with JTQ company, I need it. I need it so badly. And the sad thing is that nobody amongst my staff, nobody, have the brains to come up with a good idea that will convince them to partner with us. Nobody.
Sir, I understand, but we just have to be optimistic. I mean, the presentation is very close, and there's nothing God cannot do.
Thank you, Anita. I appreciate it.
Alright, sir, so please enjoy your coffee, okay?
I
So I
will.
hope you calm down.
Thank you. Please, you can go with this one.
You should focus on your work, not looking at my face.
What's in the worry?
Language.
I beg, make I speak pidgin only today. You know they stress me like English. Sorry, what's wrong with you? You don't look like yourself.
It's nothing. Just concentrate on what you're doing.
Auntie Maya, you know I can't concentrate when your mood is like this.
Eniola, I'll be fine, okay? I'll be fine, I promise. Just continue with what you're doing. Finish it, okay?
Okay.
Let me see what you've done. Okay, so you will just...
Oh my baby! Baby, just take a good look at this dress. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! Baby, I want to order this dress online. And do you know what is most special about this dress? It's revealing. I know that's what you like. All my cleavages will be showing. Baby, please, I want to get this dress now. You're not even looking at it. Baby, now.
Brenda! Come on now. You have just one job. One job, which is take care of me. Can't you read the room? You enter there and you can see that I'm working on something. Instead of you to just find a way to pacify me, you're here telling me about a cloth. It's revealing and you're excited about it. I'm trying to make money. Money I use in buying all these things for you. And you're here shouting and distracting me. I don't like it now. Come on. That's unfair.
You're very selfish. You're a very selfish man. So I don't take care of you in this house. Who cooked the food that you're eating?
Really?
Yes, really.
You want to talk about food?
You're very wicked. This is all you do all the time. Anytime I want to talk to you, you get angry, you shut me out. Why?
I should. No, don't lie on me. I don't.
I'm not lying on you.
I'm telling you that I'm working on something. You should be sensitive.
If you don't
should
want to
read
buy
the
it
room.
for me, tell me. If you don't love me anymore, just say it.
What are you even talking about?
Say it. If you don't want to buy it for me, it's fine, no problem. Keep your money, enjoy your money, and die with it.
Don't I buy you? I buy you this stuff. Brenda, come on. Brenda.
Ever since you became my fiancé, and even before that, has there been anything you've asked of me that I did not do for you? All I'm asking for is patience, okay? I have a lot of things that are piled up to do. A lot is on my plate.
You have a lot of things to do. A lot is on your plate. And I'm not included. Oh, I just realized how inconsequential I am to you.
Come on, babe. You know that is not true. Alright, fine. I'll pay for the dress. I will. And I'll pay for every other thing you want to do online, any online shopping. I'll pay for that. Can you smile now? You see. Anyways, what I want to do right now is to make it up to you in bed.
Oh, that sounds sweet. You know how I like it.
I know what you like.
And you are a bad boy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now call Alaji. Now time no, they call him.
It's the one calling, sir.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Alaji. Hey, we're just standing outside now. Oh, your Java is coming to pick us. Oh, okay. We're waiting already. Alright, thank you.
Okay. He's coming.
Yes, coming.
Oh my god, so enjoying myself. Alaji, please come.
Alaji, what are we doing here?
Why would you ask that question? Alaji brought us to his house.
Oh,
right?
yes. Okay, I like it. It's fine.
Wow, nice interiors.
On the contrary, this is your house.
What? Alaji, don't whine us.
I rented this for both of you.
Am I dreaming? Wait, you mean this is our... We'll be living here?
Alaji! Oh no! Alaji, with the doing! See, you're going to get some sugar. This is beautiful. You're going to get some sugar! Alaji, you know they all be like that. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Babe, we don't have mouth. We don't have Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh, Alaji, thank you.
Wow. This looks really beautiful. Yes, I can see it. So, how much is this? No, the other gold chain. 2 million. Okay, it's worth the price. What about the other one there? Wow. Pretty expensive. I think I'll go for the one of 2 million naira. So are you not going to give me discount? Let me give you 1.7. Please, no. I'm your customer. Okay, what about that other one?
Auntie, can you help me with my homework?
No, the other gold chain. Oh.
Auntie, please, can you help me with
Are you mad? Eh? Are you stupid? Or are you blind? Can't you see I'm on an important call? Now get lost. Get out! Eh? You're doing that before. I will beat you. What is wrong with you? Mannerless brat. Rubbish. My darling, sorry for the rude interruption. Let me give you 1.8 now, I beg.
No. Are you being serious? That's the best you can do? The best you could send to me? Was I not clear? When I said this is your money, are you not listening? What is wrong with you? It's a simple job, and I told you I'm going to pay you for that. And you're not listening to me. How am I supposed to present that proposal? Does it make any sense to you? You look at it again and check. It's a waste of my time now. I don't like this thing. No, not now. It's a waste of my time. I don't like this nonsense. Okay? If you can't get the job done, you tell me you cannot get it done. Why wasting my time? Jesus Christ, I don't have time now. I don't have time.
Fly away, no get that tight, sir. You go out of in payment, but inside Ghetto. Yeah. Small madam, this one will just carry face like code but when they abandoned. What think will happen? Eh? Small madam.
I'm doing my homework. I've been telling Daddy and Fiancée. No one is going to answer, even Daddy. Please help me with my master's homework. I don't know who to meet again.
You don't know who to meet again, now you come meet me?
Yeah!
No way, you know, me will go to meet them drama school. Anyways, let me try.
You're only the one that is in this compound.
Ah! Small madam, this one go big past me small. No, what is this?
Okay.
No, 1 plus 1. And 1 plus 1, 1 to 1 now. Eh? 1 plus 1, 1 to 1. Life needs to always act like that. 1, 1, 1. 100 and 1 to 1. 100. Small madam, would they do deliverance for your body now? 1 plus 1, 1.
What are you writing? What is this thing that you're writing? 1, 1, 1 plus 2. What are you writing? Is this what they write in the book?
If you sabi why you can't carry him, come meet me now. Madam, I know too much. You're supposed to stabby him. You're not supposed to disturb me. No, you carry him to come insult me or what?
I was thinking I don't even know it.
Carry him go give people where they solve him for you. No, see me see problem. I just do my own. When I follow when I go school. If I go school, I come there for here to do security man. But what kind of? But don't try this thing again. But it's really a problem.
Hello, darling. How are you? How's my daughter doing? I don't understand, Brenda. You're telling me my daughter is still in school by this time? Brenda, what is wrong with you now? You promised me that you'll pick her from school today. You promised. So what's going on? What do you mean you're in a spa?
Are you enjoying this? I know. Yeah.
Jesus. What is this? Is my daughter now a dustbin? What is this?
Sir, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. It's not what I think. Does she look like dustbin to you? Come on. What are you doing inside dustbin? Eh? You're entering inside your bag.
I'm sorry, sir. I was just trying to help.
If you come out from this car, I'll beat you.
I was just trying to help.
If I see you near my daughter again, I will deal with you. Okay. You're turning my daughter into dustbin.
Lily,
come on, enter that car and close that door.
I will come around.
Close that door. Close it. I warned you to stop talking to strangers. You will not listen. Sunshine, come here. How many times have I warned you not to talk to strangers?
Auntie Maya is not a stranger.
Oh, so you even know her name. Auntie Maya. From where? And you trust her enough to enter that dirty wheelbarrow that she's using for scavenging?
Yes.
You're saying yes?
Yes.
What did I just hear? You. So you did not just talk to that dirty scavenger, but you entered a dirty wheelbarrow. Why would you do that? Huh? Don't you know you could get kidnapped? You need to be disciplined.
By who?
Hey? Did you just ask me that? Huh?
You supposed to pick me up from school, but you did not. You focus on what is more important on you.
Hey. Are you talking to me like that?
Yes.
Baby, are you standing here and watch your daughter talk to me like that?
Sunshine, now what you did today, don't do it again. Is that clear? Up, go upstairs.
Should we see what you're teaching her? Eh? You're allowing your little daughter to talk to me like that?
Brenda, don't. I'm very, very upset with you.
You're upset with me?
Don't even start.
Eh?
Don't.
You're upset with me? Is it my fault that I forgot?
You forgot. You forgot. To pick my daughter up, you forgot. It's okay.
You're acting like I'm a nanny. If you want somebody to pick your daughter up from school, can't you get a driver? You're standing here, you're allowing her to talk to me like that. If not be something when make crayfish burn, I for don't burn her age. Bless my boot and high. See, in this house, there will be no peace. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You and this your little daughter, you will be allowing her to talk to me anyhow.
Yeah, hello, Miss Claire. Good afternoon, and how are you doing? Okay, this one you called, is everything okay? My daughter? Look, Miss Claire, to be honest, I take the blame. I've not been paying full attention to my daughter. I've been focused on other things, and I take the blame. Well, I promise you, henceforth I will give her the maximum attention she deserves. I promise her grade is going to change from what it is now. Please, bear with me. Please. Thank you very much for everything you do. I appreciate it. You have a nice day.
Life in the ghetto. Life in the ghetto. Scavenger girl, but her heart is beautiful. Walking to survival in this wicked world. Life in the ghetto.
Mama, I think I forgot my document. Did I give you any bag?
No.
Hold on,
Daddy, you are running late.
Hold on, I'm coming, okay? Just give me a minute.
Too fast.
Scavenger, she's for her right. She's a ghetto. Scavenger, she's here for love. She's a ghetto. Scavenger, she's here for other remains. She's a ghetto. Scavenger.
Yes.
My girl, come here. How are you?
I'm fine. And you? I'm fine.
I missed you.
I'm so sorry how my father treated you the last time.
That's okay, okay? So have you done your assignments?
No.
Why? You haven't done your assignments and you want to go to school?
Yes, my father is so busy that he cannot help me.
And what about your mother?
My mother is in the heaven. She have go to heaven.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So where is your father?
He went inside. He went to go and bring his suit.
Okay, you know what? Let me quickly help you with your assignments so that your teacher won't be angry with you at school. Okay, so this is it, right? English language. Oh no, this is wrong. It's meant to be a boy, okay? So it goes all the way to Z. So all you have to do is just to fill in the gap. You just have to fill in the gap, okay? Because they've already written it for you here. All you have to is to fill in the gap. You just have to think, okay, let me help you with this. This is a boy. Then this one we have a girl. Then this is a fruit already. Okay, yes, you got this. And this is apple. So you just have to do it all this all the way down.
Okay.
You understand me now?
Yes.
Can you do it yourself?
Yes!
Great! High five. That's my girl. So I have to hurry, okay, before your father gets back.
Mama!
Yes, Daddy.
You won't believe I forgot my suit as well.
Cool.
But the documents, they're not in the room. I think they're in the office.
Okay.
Aha. You said something about your assignment. Okay, let me help you do it.
I didn't do it. I've done it. So what do you want to do?
You've done it?
Yes, Auntie Maya helped me.
Auntie Maya?
Yes.
Have I not warned you not to talk to strangers?
Auntie Maya is not a stranger. Go on.
I told you. Put your seatbelt on. Sit. Stop talking to strangers. You won't listen. Auntie Maya.
Auntie Maya is not a stranger, of course.
She's not
a stranger.
She's dirty?
She's
a
not
dirty girl. Stop talking. Do you want to be a dirty girl?
Yes.
Yes. Talking to dirty people, you will not hear.
Auntie Maya is not dirty. She's a human being. As us.
Sorry for the way I was supposed to do. I'm not usually like that. Okay?
It's alright, it's fine.
I'm so sorry, okay, please?
No problem.
Alright.
Anita?
Sir?
What's going on? I overheard Jara's voice.
Yeah, you know, boss, he actually saw her picking up debts from the street and he got angry. You know, he doesn't really like things like that, and I actually came here to apologize on his behalf.
Okay.
So that's just what happened.
That's alright.
Yeah.
We need to go in now.
Alright.
Sorry, okay? We are sorry.
Life in the ghetto. Life in the ghetto. Scavenger girl, but her heart is beautiful. Walking to survive in this wicked world.
Yola,
how are you?
Fine. But I can't ask you because you're looking sad.
Do you have any assignment today?
No, I don't. I just saw you looking sad and I decided to come and ask what's bothering you.
I'll be fine, okay? I'll be fine.
Okay.
You can go. Wait. Eniola, no matter what you do in this life, try not to be poor. Because poor people go through worse humiliations. Much more than you can imagine. They go through very difficult situations. Try to be successful, not just for yourself, but also for your family. Okay?
Okay.
You can go now.
Thank you.
Treat her bad. as if she's not created like others. Life sometimes treat her bad. Scavenger girl, but her heart is beautiful. Walking to survival in this wicked world. Life in the ghetto.
Is everything alright?
No. Everything is not alright. How can everything be alright when you are willing to pay millions of naira to someone that will give you a great idea on how to secure the multi-million-dollar worth of deal? When you know fully well that I studied business administration and I'm a graduate. Okay? I have lots of business ideas.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes. Maybe what you've been looking for months has been under your roof. But you know what? You've been underrating me.
Okay. Tell me. Let's hear it.
Okay. I'll tell you about it. But you know you were willing to pay 5 million naira to someone that can give you a great idea. So once I tell you my idea, you're going to pay me 5 million naira. Deal?
Okay, deal. Let's hear it.
You know, money makes the world go round. Since it's a multi-million-dollar worth of deal, why not promise your investors a multi-billion-dollar worth of return in their investment, which is higher than what they even proposed? No one will say no. Nobody can reject such offer.
That's your idea?
Great idea, baby.
Brenda, are you serious? Can you hear yourself? My company needs this deal because it needs money to function. And here you are asking me to offer investors 2 times the amount that my company does not even have. And you're telling me it's a great idea? Are you That is a dumb idea. Are you kidding me? Business admin? No, come on. Dumb idea.
You see when I'm saying that this man doesn't value me, doesn't know my worth. Baby, it's not a dumb idea. Baby, listen to me.
Take. At this point, you're the one messing things up. Because look at it, your business administrator girlfriend has given you a huge business idea. And the one is not applying it.
Man, this is not funny. It's not funny. I'm being serious, man. It's not funny at all. I mean, that was a dumb idea. Dumbest idea I've ever had.
Dumb and foolish combined together. Like, where on earth? No, wait. What even gave her that impression? Where does she think you get such amount of money from?
Let's even say I have this money. In fact, let's even say there's a place I could go and loan this money.
Yeah.
You think I will leave my company to be in the place it is?
But wait. Let's think about it properly now. I think you're the one messing around.
Crazy. No, you don't say bomb there. What did they worry? I'm being serious, man. I'm being serious. Look, we have barely a week to make this happen. Barely a week.
You're right. But then, this is what I think. Since Silver Co. Limited has promised to send delegates to share their ideas with us, I think we should be calm and stay positive. Okay? The meeting is this weekend. There is no need rushing or being tensed. Please. I met a girl.
Oh, finally. A girl?
Yes, a girl.
Okay, that is good news. Who is she?
She is beautiful, elegant, and the most beautiful part of her is that she's a career woman. Very hardworking. Okay. I can't wait on this one. At the end, I am making mistakes.
Bro, this is a good catch. Man, I'm proud of you, man.
Thanks,
No, I'm proud of you. When am I meeting her?
Very soon.
Look, this soon better be soon enough.
It
Because
has
I
to
need
be
to
soon.
see her, evaluate her, and be sure. You know, sometimes what you see is different from what, you
Don't
see.
worry. I can't wait to all these ones. And at the end, I'm making a mistake. No, now.
Sorry. Hello? Let them go to my office now. Let's just take them to my office.
Madam, man, no stress you. Man, no stress. Hey!
How you doing though?
No, see, for this, I'm surprised. Why can a fine lady like you be doing this kind of work? Like, I don't know. It's because of you that Oyibo say beauty in ashes, diamond in dirty.
You don't come, oh. You don't come, oh.
No, you are glittering, you know. So you are glittering.
Thank
I
you.
wonder I take the room, but cut soap for me, but.
Which soap I won't cut again now?
But there's something
Which
more.
soap now?
How you go to do this kind of work? Come the fine, come the yellow. If never take light like this, only you go to shine.
You sabi wipe.
No, madam.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, good to see you, baby.
But in a small 10/10 where she get now, I make her run come outside like that. I know.
Wait, you got 10/10?
Yes.
That is so good. I'm so proud of you. Okay? You did so well. Let me see.
I have another homework.
Oh, you have another one?
Yes. See.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
See the homework here.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to help you with this one. Okay, why don't you go get a pen? Then I'll help you do it here.
Okay.
Yes, hurry, okay? Ah!
No, the child is
I
very
am
intelligent.
so impressed.
Yeah, very intelligent.
10/10.
The reason behind your beauty, you know.
Alright. Okay. So.
Go.
Oh, alright. So this is very easy. So you write I is for ice cream.
Okay, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. So J is for
jog.
jog. So and it goes all the way down up to Z. Okay? You see that it's very easy.
Yes, right for me, yeah.
Okay.
I know that.
Okay. So all this is English. While you're writing all this, and then this, once you're done with this, you're going to score 10/10. That's like
Scavenger girl, she's a hustler with good heart. Scavenger, she's a hustler with good heart. The scavenger girl, she's a hustler with good heart. Beautiful, with a beautiful face. She's always updated with her way of life. Ooh, the scavenger girl, a scavenger girl.
Sunshine. Your teacher told me that you have improved in your academics. That you do your assignment on time and you're coming out with good grades. I'm excited about that. So tell me, what's the secret?
Daddy, can you remember that I told you that God have gave me a guardian angel?
God has given you a guardian angel. That's what you want to say?
Yes.
So who is this guardian angel?
That is my little secret.
What? Wait a minute. It's someone now keeping secrets from daddy.
Not really.
Yeah, but you won't tell me.
No.
Well.
Because my really small secret. That I'm keeping it to myself.
You're keeping it to yourself. Okay. Well.
Daddy, let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
If you see my guardian angel,
Does he have wings?
She have wings.
Oh, he's a female now. She has wings.
She's tall.
Tall.
Fair. No makeup. Beautiful.
Wow.
Like if you see my guardian angel, you will love her.
Wow. So tell me your guardian angel's name now. No. You won't tell me.
She don't have name. They're about to give her a name.
Okay.
And she's about to give it.
That's one serious guardian angel. Well, for what it's worth, I'm happy. I'm happy that you're doing well in school. Okay? That's the most important thing. I know that they have been too busy and
So are we going home or we're buying something because I'm hungry?
I know you read my mind. We'll buy something because I'm sure Brenda will not cook anything.
If she's not cooking anything, it's better you don't pursue her. Because
no, don't say that.
for the first day that I put her into our house, I do not like her. She will be going to go and fix that rubbish. She will not even cook food that me and you will eat. She will eat and go out.
I know.
Pursue her. If not, me, I will use my mouth. And those tell her what to do.
It's okay. I didn't offend you.
I will buy something on our way.
You're trying to sleep, but I want you. Baby, no.
What is this? Come on now.
Are you refusing me?
What do you mean I'm not refusing you? Is this all you care about? Sex. Sometimes I wonder what's going on in your head. Do you even know what I go through every day? Do you know my present predicament? All you want is sex. And then money. And then more sex. Come on, sometimes look here, ask me what. That's part of what I'm talking about. The moment you don't get what you want, it's a fight. Yet it's supposed to be a relationship.
Good afternoon, Ma.
How are you?
I'm fine. You came around.
Yes, I just want to fix one or two things in the house.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Well, I'm good. I'm off to work now.
All right, no problem. Have a lovely day.
Thank you, Ma.
All right. Wow. This young lady, sometimes she's into scavenging, and she's dressed in such a corporate way. Anyway, she's a hard-working lady.
Honestly, we don't have time anymore. We have barely 3 days. 3 days. The worst part is that the delegates sent from JTQ and Co company, they didn't even come up with any good idea. Now I'm empty. Empty.
This is really disturbing.
Hi.
Hi, Maya. How have you been?
Very well, thank you.
Oh my God.
And how is work?
Oh, thank God, thank God. And I, the idea that took our company from 0 to 100. In fact, coming up with perfect ideas as to solving the problems we are in right now is her specialty.
Wow. It's nice to meet you, Maya.
Maya.
Maya,
Yeah.
nice to meet you. Wow.
Same here.
Please, I don't want to waste any of our time. Let's go inside and sit and discuss.
Yes.
There's a lot to talk about.
go.
Please.
All right.
After you.
Thank you.
So basically, I am going to tell you the best way to secure this deal. It's just very easy. Something like this. I have. Just check this out.
Wow.
So, what do you think?
This is good. Yeah, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. What nonsense did they type? This is brilliant. This is ultimately good. Oh my God.
I told you, it's just very easy. With this, trust me, the deal is yours.
Perfect. Yes. This is good. Like, to be honest, so I was saying that I have to fix this. Yes. Now you're here.
Yes, why not? You're welcome.
Thank you very much. This is good. Please.
It's okay. I'm glad I was able to do my work and yes, thank you. Thank you. So with that, we're good.
Please, why don't you allow me to go and drop you off?
Oh, please. That won't be needed. I will just take a cab.
Are you sure?
Yes. Thank you.
It's nice to meet you again.
Same here.
Okay,
All right,
bye.
Marital.
Take care.
All right, you too. Bye.
Something special about her, to be honest. Very intelligent. I like the way she speaks and she's got great ideas. Well, business first.
Maya, how are you?
Eniola, I'm fine, thank you.
How is work?
Work is fine. How is Eniola?
Eniola, they fine, no. She's fine. How is work now?
Work is fine. Is there a problem?
Maya, I ask again. How is work?
Mama Eniola, work is fine. What's going on?
Maya, don't we when they for Ghetto? You be office worker, Abi? But people when they for inside estate, you be scavenger. Abi na double life they live. You be fake life.
How did you know that?
Maya, I see you with my 2 eye. I see you koro. You dey pick. Eh? Maya!
Mommy Eniola, my way of life is totally my business and not a means to deceive anyone. I respect and I appreciate you, but please, I beg you, keep this to yourself. And don't go around telling others. I beg you, please. Whatever I do is totally my business. Thank you, Mommy Eniola.
That one go hard though. Maya. Eh? How scavenger and office work take join for one person? Hey! Children of nowadays.
Daddy.
Are you okay? So sorry. Hey. Sorry, I didn't hear you now. Daddy was...
Don't be making sense.
Sorry, I was thinking about something. Do you need anything?
Are you okay?
Yes, are you worried about Daddy?
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Daddy is fine. Are you worried?
Yes.
Why? I mean, Daddy is okay.
Because I've been calling you since. You are not answering me.
Sorry.
Well, I pray for you that everything is going to be okay. Amen.
Such a sweet girl. Hello, sir? Thank you, sir. Oh, I appreciate, sir. Thank you. That means a lot for me and my company. Thank you, sir. Yes! Yes! Oh! Oh my goodness!
Sir, I heard your voice. What happened?
We got the contract. We have the partnership.
Thank God, Jesus! I told you.
Assemble the meeting for all the staff immediately.
Yes. Right now. All right.
Yes!
Right now.
Yes. Bro! Alpha! We have it, bro. No, yeah. What you're very stupid. I'm telling you we have it, you're telling me this. I have the contract.
So this is for that. This is for all. This is for division. This is multiplication. Then we have subtraction. Good afternoon. Who are you and how can I help you?
And what help do you think I would need from someone like you that live in the dungeon?
Excuse me? This is my space and I will advise you to watch it.
And if I don't, what would you do? Now back to the question of who I am. I am the wife-to-be of the man you're trying to steal away from me. Stay away from my boyfriend Gerard. Else, you won't like what I will do to you, you filthy thing.
Miss, whatever you think you are, I am really trying to keep my cool. And for your information, I have nothing to do with Mr. Gerald. He's just my client and that's it. So please leave my compound.
Liar. Bloody liar, that's what you are.
I said leave my compound!
I will not leave! Are you mad? Or you're stupid?
I said leave!
Oh, I see. You're looking for someone to fund your lifestyle, right?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
I said I have nothing to do with your boyfriend.
Everything to do with my boyfriend.
How?
Stay away from Gerard.
You're definitely mad.
What's the problem?
Madam, I don't know this lady from anywhere. She just came in here making trouble and she doesn't want to leave.
Look at them.
Young lady, please can you leave this compound right now?
Rubbish. And if I see you with my man again,
please can you walk away?
I have nothing to do with your man.
Dirty people, see why you leave.
Get out!
Slum. Rubbish.
Young lady, you're too responsible to be tangling with this kind of people. I don't expect you to tangle with this kind of person.
I don't know her. I don't know her from anywhere.
Please mind the people you mingle with. I see you as a very responsible person. I don't expect you to work with this kind of people.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send the plumber to come and take care of the kitchen sink.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Very manner. I hope you're okay. Take sense. Are you sure you don't want me to offer you anything?
Oh, come on, Maya. I'm okay. I'm fine. But Maya, this place is not really befitting for you. I mean, you are capable of relocating to any luxurious estate of your choice. Yet, you choose to remain here. Why?
That's because I'm emotionally attached to this place. And there is no amount of convincing that will make me think otherwise.
If you say so. But I must commend you for how effortlessly you were able to back that contract for Gerald's company. Maya, you are so good at what you do.
Well, we give God the glory. And I'm so happy and glad we're able to pull through successfully.
Yeah. So at this point, Mr. Gerald has decided that she have dinner with him at Marble Top Hotel 8 p.m.
That's ridiculous. Look, Mirabelle, to be honest, I'll be very busy at that set time.
Maya.
But look, tell him I appreciate his kind gesture. But I don't think I'll be able to make it.
Come on,
I'll
Maya,
pass.
Maya. It's just a harmless way of appreciating you for what you did. I mean, I'll say you indulge him. Come on.
Look, I've been duly appreciated. I have, and that's enough for me.
Okay.
Yes.
You are so stubborn. But it's fine. Do you still teach kids around here like you do back then?
Oh, yes, I do.
Really?
Yes. In fact, they'll be here in a moment.
Oh, wow. It's okay. I should be on my way then.
Thank you. And congratulations to you.
And to you too. Don't always wait for me to
Don't
say, see me
worry,
off.
let's go.
Oh, Gerald. She said she won't be free at the set time, but I don't believe her. I think she intentionally declined. Look, here's what you should do. Give her a call and then invite her personally. Yes, I'm sure. I'm a woman. Just do that. Alright. Take care. Whew.
Scavenger, she's a hustler, a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger girl, she's a hustler, a hustler with a good heart.
Excuse me.
Scavenger, she's a hustler.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gerard. Very well. Trust you're good too. Don't you think it's ideal for you to ask me first if the date and place for your speculated dinner is fine by me, rather than just fixing it as though I am inconsequential? Well, this has nothing to do with why I declined, but everything to do with the fact that I'll be very busy tonight. Well, you paid for my services and I rendered it, so you have nothing to celebrate with me. And the last time I checked, that wasn't my company. You just paid for my services and I'm done. Mr. Gerard, if you don't mind, I am currently very busy now.
Scavenger girl, she's a hustler, a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger, she's a hustler, a hustler with a good heart.
This is nice. Nice choice of restaurant.
Someone is complimenting.
Don't get ahead of yourself. It's just a harmless compliment. That's all.
Okay. Thank you. Forgive me, I'm just looking for the right choice of word. You look so beautiful. Ravishingly beautiful. In fact, your beauty has affected everything in here.
Okay. Thank you. But do I need to remind you that this is a harmless dinner to celebrate a contract achievement? Stop sounding like it's a date or something.
Well, you can turn it into one. Anything is possible, you know.
Why don't we toast, for the achievement for winning the contract.
Fair enough.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So how long will the food take? I'm famished.
Why are you not sleeping? Huh? Why?
Why will I sleep when my dad is not back?
No. Very sweet of you. What would daddy do for you now? Okay. Ice cream it is. Where is your auntie?
She has slept since.
That's good. Okay.
Why are you happy?
Why am I happy? Come on, why should I not be happy? God gave me a beautiful and intelligent daughter. You're really smart, you know?
Thank you.
But I'm happy because of you.
Okay.
And it's time to go to bed.
No.
No.
The remote. Give me the remote.
No. It's time to sleep.
I don't want to sleep. I want to watch cartoon.
I know you want to.
Cartoon.
I'll just read you a bedtime story.
No, I don't want bedtime story. I want cartoon.
No.
Hold on. You're waiting this something. What's going on with you? Papa, you've been here smiling from ear to ear. What's going on? It was supposed to be a simple dinner celebration. It wasn't even a date. What's going on?
Bro, you won't understand. I say you will not understand. See that girl? That girl is a lady. I say she is a lady. I mean, she's a lady of few words, but it carries power. See, she's a beautiful girl. She's intelligent, smart, elegant. In fact, that's my type of woman. Kid you not.
Obviously, you have fallen in love with this girl. You're falling in love. Then, what happens to Brenda, your fiancée?
Did I tell you I'm in love?
What are you saying? But by the man now, like I'm your fellow guy. When a man says a woman is his type of woman, what does that mean? It simply means you are in love with her.
I said that she's my type.
Oh gosh. See what the love is doing to you already. All of a sudden you are developing amnesia.
You know what? Let's change topic.
No. We're not changing any topic. In fact, the topic just begin to get interesting and you are telling me let's change topic. For where now? For where? We are not changing the topic. Now tell me, how did the date go?
Dinner. It's dinner. It's just dinner, man.
Oh, God.
what are you doing here? Are you stalking me or what?
Do you live here?
That's not the answer to my question. I said, what are you doing here?
I came to ask you to work for me.
I am not interested.
Well, come on now. This is not a place befitting for a young, brilliant girl like you. It's not possible. Look, I have the capacity. In fact, I am capable of taking you out of these trenches and plunging you into a world of luxury. Just come and work for me.
And I said, I am not interested. Don't you get that? Huh? A word of advice. Don't ever stalk anyone like this. Because you might be confronted for something you didn't plan for. Now leave my compound this minute.
Maya, come on.
I said leave!
Okay. Alright, just think about it, okay? Because...
There is nothing to think about.
Are you serious? This place?
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was your day?
Stressful? Work has been really stressful these days. How was yours?
Fine. Is it the work that is stressing you? Or you're stressed because you're chasing after a local dog?
But now, what kind of question is that?
Gerard, are you in any way cheating on me? Or you're in the process of attempting cheating on me?
But how can you ask me such a question? I'm shocked. Where is this coming from?
Oh, you're shocked. Anyways, you know, I am a very beautiful girl. I'm a total package, complete one at that. And it's going to be laughable on your path if you choose to chase after a girl that is below my standard. Do you understand?
I'm still trying to make sense of what you're saying, Brenda. Where is this coming from?
Welcome back home.
He has done for me. Oh my mother, he has done for me. Ah!
Daddy, why are you so happy?
Why am I so happy?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Yes. If you guess it right, I am getting you an ice cream.
You get the contract.
Yes, I got the contract. I got the contract. I got it.
You got the contract.
Yes.
You got the contract! Oh my love! Congratulations, my baby! Congratulations! You see, I've been praying for you. Shut up! I've been praying for you. And God answered my prayers. Baby, now you have no excuse of not buying the car you promised. So, I'm going to get a bottle of champagne so we can celebrate. I love you, baby. Congratulations. So we can celebrate.
It's not fair. Daddy, what you doing is not fair. Why is she carrying me down?
I'll carry you up.
No,
And we are
it's
the
not
one.
fair.
We are going to celebrate.
Hey! Good morning. The driver is here. Anywhere you want to go today, allow me to drop you off. Okay? Maya, come on. Why are you being so difficult? I just want to help.
Well, help by telling that your insecure girlfriend that there is nothing going on between us. And most importantly, stay away from me.
What? What are you talking about now?
What's your problem? I said stay away from me. Don't follow me.
Okay, so...
Don't follow me if you don't want problems.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
So why are you shouting my name?
I am shouting your name? Why did you go to confront Maya and what did you tell her?
Oh, that's the name of your filthy, useless girlfriend, Abby?
Are you serious? Listen, do not get me upset. Don't try it. I asked you a question. What did you tell Maya?
So that's why you came here, you were shouting, ranting, and yelling at me like one... Wait, I want to ask you something. So you made that girl run with the tail in between her legs to come report me to you? Okay, since you want to know, I told her the obvious truth. That you are my fiancé and she should stay the hell away from you.
Wait, let me understand. Was there ever a time I told you I have anything to do with anybody? Not to talk of Maya. Did I tell you that? Now listen to me.
No, you listen to me. You think I don't know about everything? Your secret dates and appointments, I know about everything and I have picture evidence to that effect. I'm so disappointed in you. You disgust me. You want to cheat on me. A girl like me. You cannot even cheat on me with a classy girl, a girl of my standard. Look at that dirty, stupid, animalistic moron from the slum that you're cheating on me with. I am so disappointed. You are shameless. You're a very, very shameless man. And you see that in my eye. I will deal with the two of you. You've not seen anything. Look at you. Cheats. Men has come and they will stain your white. Even if you are wearing pure white, they will stain it. Listen to me. You will not have peace in this house. I'm just telling you that you will not have peace in this house. Open this door.
Apparently, Brenda sent people to follow me. And so they followed me and tracked me down. And that was how she discovered about Maya. And then she now went to confront Maya in her own house.
What?
Who does that?
Brenda did what?
You heard me.
You know what? If Brenda can be this insecure just being a fiancé, I'm just wondering what will happen if she then becomes your wife. Like, how extent can she go if she becomes your wife?
Exactly my point. How am I supposed to wife such a person who is literally insecure? Now, I'll give it to her, okay? She's good in bed. A1. But to me, that's all she's good at. I sat down the other day and I'm thinking, what have I really achieved ever since I started dating this girl? Absolutely nothing. Because that's all she's good at, sex. I've never seen a person so self-centered like Brenda. If it's not sex, she wants money. If it's not money, she wants sex. This girl has given me no ideas. Yeah, she has given me no ginger, nothing to push me to say, hey, my dear, keep moving forward. Nothing.
Man, this is too bad. Too bad. But then, what are you saying in essence?
I'm tired. Later.
Like, you're tired?
That's what I'm saying.
Like you want to end the relationship? This is 2.5 relationship we're talking about here, man. If you ask me, I think you should, mold her to the kind of wife you want. Because the Brenda I know will not make it an easy one for you to end a relationship with her. Yes. You need to calm down. Like I've always told you, just chill, everything will be fine. I think we need to go out, maybe get some drink or something.
I know you're angry. I know you're angry that I haven't come to see you. But please, don't be angry with Big Auntie. It's just that I've been so busy. I've been so busy with work. That's why I haven't come around.
So busy that you cannot come and see your flower.
Oh, my Lily, I am sorry. Okay? It won't happen again, I promise. It will never happen again. Am I forgiven?
Remember that you said that you're going to make it up with me?
Of course I will. I will make it up to you. Okay? I promise.
Okay.
So tell me, how's school been? I hope you're doing so well in school.
I am the best in school.
You are? That's my girl! I am so proud of you. Good job. I am so proud of you, okay? Keep it up. Okay, let me see your assignment so I can help you and leave. I wouldn't want your father to come see me. You know your father doesn't like me being around.
Let's go inside.
Inside?
Yes, I said let's go inside.
Lily, you know I can't go inside. What if your father comes back and see me? You know you convinced me to come into the compound and now you're asking me to go inside. Lily, that's too much. I can't.
My father is not coming back now. Not anytime soon. Let's go inside. I'm tired of staying outside.
Lily, you want to put me in trouble. I can't go in. Eh? Your father will kill me.
He's not going to do anything. Let's just go inside. Let's go inside. I've already told him. Oh, let's go inside. Even though he's come back, we're not going to do anything. Let's go inside. I'm tired.
Really, B is a word. So I want you to feel it. I want you to think. So,
okay. A B
is A. Good job. That is good. So let's go to the next one. C is for cat. Amazing. The next is D. The D is for D-O-G. Great. You see that it's very easy, right? You're getting it. Then E. So is there anyone that you don't understand?
wheelbarrow doing outside my house? Get it out of there, please. You? Again? Come here. How did you bring your demonic self into my home? Are you okay?
Please, I'm okay. She's not a friend.
No, honey, she's not a friend. She came in here to kidnap you. Kidnap you. No, she's not. I will show you what to do to kidnap her.
Please, sir, I can explain.
Oh, you will explain to the police when they get here.
Sir, I can explain it. It's not what you think.
No, Daddy,
Honey,
please.
just relax.
No, Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
It's okay, it's okay. Hello?
Baby.
You know what?
What?
I am thinking about something. You know, maybe we'll go out, have a vacation, just the two of us, enjoy ourselves, lock ourselves in, just have fun. What do you think?
I think so too. So, when?
I don't know yet. I'll look at my calendar then. I'll get back to you.
Please be fast about it.
Hi, Jared. How are you? Who? Right now. Okay. You know what? Just chill, okay? Hold on, I'll be there right away. I'm coming right now. I'm coming. I'm on my way, okay?
What happened? What is it?
I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. My friend just called me. There is an emergency. But when I return, I will tell you everything about it.
Okay, no problem.
There is no problem.
Thank God you are here.
Ah,
What's up?
Omo babe, streets dry you. See, imagine one. Hey God, I suffer. Imagine one guy. They priced me 5,500 for overnight, like daybreak.
Now wow, you dey mad? Which kind talk with that one?
You know, no man. I know.
Now
I
wow.
thought you said Nathan was around.
You just left to attend to something.
Babe, see,
What?
we've lost everything. Ever since that stupid allergy wife catch me and I'm say we dey date. She took everything from us. The money, everything. Cars, this house is the only thing we have. And if this rent expire, I don't know what we are going to do. Nathan is the only choice that we have.
Baby, you don't need to tell me that, okay? I'll hold him tight. I can't allow him to slip off my fingers.
Please, so you better do. If not, we are done. I bet food day.
Which one me say food day? You for ask if food stuff they this house. Don't ask me that, auntie.
Food no day. Gary safe no day.
Which one be Gary? Food stuff no day house.
Now life be this.
I beg. Go find what you go chop.
Now move. It's okay. Move it.
No. It's okay.
Kidnapper. What's going on here?
Look at this. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Glad you're here. This demon had the audacity to come into my house to kidnap my daughter. My only daughter. Officers, take her out of here.
Let's go. Move it. Wait. Maya?
Who is Maya?
Gerald, this is Maya.
The lady who helped you back that contract.
Oh my goodness. Maya! Officer, please, let her go.
Let her go? She's a kidnapper!
No, she's not. I think there's a misunderstanding somewhere. Not to worry, I'll call the DPO and explain everything to him, okay? Yeah, I'll pay for anything. Listen, Maya! Maya! Hold on, Maya, listen. Maya! Hey, Maya, look, I'm so sorry. Okay, Maya, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, okay? I did. Did you know?
Don't worry, I'll find a way to talk to her, okay?
What's going on? I'm still confused, brother.
Sunshine, please now. Daddy has been apologizing since.
Daddy, it's not all about apology. You treated Aunt Maya so badly. I wonder what she's going through now.
I'm sorry. I am. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Maybe if I had known, I would have probably.
So what you wanted to say is that given you have known, you're supposed to treat her very well. You're supposed to do it by at that point.
I'm sorry. Sunshine right now, okay? And I'll make it up to you, I promise. Please eat your food.
Daddy, one secret.
Okay.
Do you know that all my exam, it is Aunt Maya that taught me? She taught me. I'm seriously in this thing. Why will you treat her like that? But I told you that she's not my friend. She's not a friend to me.
She was the one helping you with your homework?
Yes. It's all your fault. So now what are we going to do? Or what are we going to do now?
What are you doing here? Have you come to remind me how dirty and filthy I am?
Maya, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. Please, forgive me.
You're sorry? For what exactly? What are you sorry for? You know the day you saw me walking into that plaza? The one where your company is situated?
Yeah.
I went there to buy the entire plaza. Yes. Apparently you're my tenant. You look down on me because I'm a scavenger. But what you're ignorant of is that I make a lot of money from this business. I have people all around the states working for me. The money I've made from this business, no white-collar job has given me that. I make lots of money from this scavenging business.
I didn't know, I swear.
Of course you won't know. Of course.
Maya, I'm sorry, okay? Please, if not for my sake, for the sake of my daughter, okay? I know I don't deserve your forgiveness. But I beg you, please. My daughter won't even talk to me. She won't eat her food. And worse, she's doing badly in school now. I beg you, please. Be her friend again, okay? Tutor her, alright? Just forgive me. I don't know what else to say.
You know, I love your daughter so much. I love her. Even when I saw the dangers ahead, I was able to risk it all for her. Gerard, you hurt me. You hurt me so bad.
I didn't know.
You showed me a glimpse of what the poor and helpless people go through.
I'm sorry.
You humiliated me.
I take it all back. I didn't know. Okay? Humiliate me if you want. I'm not that guy anymore, I swear. Please, I beg you, Maya. Forgive me. Please. I'll make this up to you, okay?
You know what? When you're done, you get up and get out of my house.
Maya, please. Okay, just forgive me.
You don't want to leave? You can remain there if you want.
Maya, please, I beg you now, Maya, if you want me, I can come and be your neighbor. I'll move into the slums with you. Huh?
They don't care. They have no conscience. They don't care at all. They have no conscience. I'm going to run with me. On the rate to go.
Please calm down. You need to be calm down. Did I tell you that idiot got the multi-million dollar worth of contract? That's a lot of money now. Just give me a little time to smuggle all the money to myself so we can unload to any country of our choice. Please, no one. Just give me a little time. Soon everything will be over.
It's always that for you guys, huh? It's not what you think. No, what's I supposed to think, Brenda? I don't understand. You are this evil? No. Brenda, I vouched for you. Even when I knew I never liked my daughter, I vouched for you.
You know that I love you. It's the devil.
Get out of my house!
Baby, please. Baby, please, baby.
Get out of my house! Take this back out. Get out of this place!
Baby.
Hurry up!
Please,
you,
baby. No.
You!
Baby, please.
Get out of my house!
Let me alone.
Get her out of this house! I don't want you to cross this house ever again!
No, that's my thing. Baby! Are you mad? You don't take your money, you won't take my car.
Man, I am surprised. I can't believe Brenda has been playing you all this while. How can she have such evil agenda against you all these years?
Now God save me. Nothing I say, now God save me. But anyway, I don't really care about Brenda. My problem now is that Maya has refused to forgive me.
What are you saying? You treated that girl so badly. You don't expect that lady to open her arms so wide for you to come in after all you did to her. But here is something to brighten your day, okay? My girlfriend is organizing her birthday party this weekend. We are going. We are attending.
I'm not sure I'm in the mood for that.
Trust me.
Gerald, I am not begging. Neither am I asking. I am telling you we are attending. You are following me to the party.
I'm not going, please.
I will carry you go there. Did you hear me?
I'm sure Brenda is the one calling. I'm not picking this call.
Why is she still calling? I think by now we should have blocked her number, honestly.
Mirabelle, you know I don't socialize. Look, I can't attend. Let me just pass, please.
No. Come on, Maya. I won't let you pass this one. You need to take some time off to socialize. I mean, life shouldn't be about work. I promise that you'll have fun. Because this particular celebrant is a family friend's niece. So she's practically family. You'll have fun, okay? Just relax.
But like, you're making this tough for me. You're putting me in the tight corner right now.
It's not tough. It's easy. Just relax and have fun.
Okay. Then I have to think about it.
There's hope. Think about it.
Anyway.
Okay, I have to get going.
Alright.
You will see me off. My friend, see me off.
Let me see you off. You might.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, God, look what we have here. Good afternoon. You're looking fine.
You're welcome.
The sad thing now is that after all of this, you will not go back to the dorm. but it's fine, no problem. I wasn't expecting you because this party is not for your class of people, but you're here. Enjoy.
Enough! What is wrong with you? Be nice. Do you even...
It's fine. Fine. Thank you.
Just eat, drink, and have.
Mom, you're here.
Yes, I am.
I didn't know you'd be attending the party.
Well, here I am.
Okay, you said you would want the occupants of this building to vacate, and that's the reason why I came.
Shut up. What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? She's the owner of the building.
What?
And she wants you girls to leave.
Hold on. I want to understand something here. Sonia, you told me you own this house. What's going on?
Bros,
Baby,
I
I
beg.
can explain.
Leave all of this, baby, I can explain.
Lock up now.
Lock where? Bros, what these girls do here is hook up. Girls. What did they do for you now? Pino.
You are Who? Which?
Sonia.
Babe.
Excuse me.
Sonia.
Babe.
Sonia.
Mom, so what do I do?
So this is what you do in Lagos?
Auntie, you don't like that.
Shut up! And you lied to me that you work in a telecom company.
Agent, true that I wanted the occupants of this apartment to vacate. But since I know the occupants, they can stay. But if they are unable to renew their rent, then they should leave my house.
Okay, understood. Alright, thank you. You hear my madam, Abi?
Why you be like this? I will chop this thing for your high. Which kind of... Wait, they talk like fool.
House I give you.
I get out. Can you imagine?
You hear it, she talk.
Get out! With your data with the smell. Oh, God. Hey, rent is going to expire next month. Hey. Maya, one of us they scavenge, they pick them. Maya, they talk and say, I will not follow you. See Maya.
Hey, God, I don't think we're going to
Jesus,
now.
but she get Maya.
My boyfriend,
Yes. Hey, this is your boyfriend. Maya. Oh God.
my favorite flower. My baby. So good to see you.
Good to see you too. Auntie Maya. Auntie Maya.
Yes.
Auntie Maya, I have a confession to make.
Okay.
Auntie Maya, you know these few days, you know my father is in love with you. Please don't say no. Say yes, please.
Oh, no, please.
No, say yes.
Look, it's fine.
No,
I also
say
have
yes,
something to say.
Yes.
It's fine, just get up, okay? Get up, please. Please get up. Don't kneel for me, Lily. You know, I love to teach and be around you. But part of the reason why I always come to the house is to be close to your dad.
How?
Gerald, the first time I set my eyes on you, I fell for you. That's why everything you did against me really hurt me so bad. It broke me in pieces. I was already in love with you, but I tried so hard to conceal it. Coupled with the fact that another woman was in the picture, I tried so hard to hide my feelings from you.
She's gone, Maya. Brenda, I sent her out of the house. I sent her away.
Scavenger, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger girl, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger girl, she's a hustler with a good heart. Beautiful, with a beautiful face. She's always contented with her way of life. Ooh, the scavenger girl, oh, a scavenger girl. Scavenger, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger girl, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger, she's a hustler with a good heart. Scavenger girl, she's a hustler with a good heart.